Another really excellent day today. Made wonderful progress. I still don't have a single relay card available yet. It hasn't arrived. So I'm just using this double relay unit I've got and a piece of breadboard to hook it all together. I've added the power 5 volts, power 3.3 volts and ground, taking it from the Arduino Mega and putting it on a little header here, which is probably out of focus, but I'm sorry. Unfortunately, I built that cable last night and I had to use this big old chunky soldering iron I had, so it's an absolute mess. And of course this morning the replacement arrived, so tomorrow I'll replace the cable. So we have the RFID tag on the back, if I can scoot around here, cabled up just through jumper cables at the moment, and here we are sat on the main screen. Okay, let's get it focused, there we go. So now I touch the screen and we're ready. As you can see, I've created the circle with the button which represents the door open button, and if I press it you can see the relay operates and times out and it goes back to the screen. And I'll stay on this screen now and it says door open. Now I'll take one of my usual 3 ID tags, dangle it in front, or in this case behind. Entry denied. Let's try another one. Enter, and the relay came on. Hopefully you heard it because I was too late getting there. And the third one. Enter. Now, again this time I'm using the credit card sized reader, ID tag, and we just put that in, as the master that is, and we put that in the reader's zone. You can see we're in program mode, and I take one of these tags and it's removed the record. Now let's add it back again, and it's added it back again. Now exit programming mode by putting the RFID card by the reader, exiting program mode, and we're ready to go again. So as a prototype, this thing's done. What I'm waiting for, as I said, is the single relay unit. Excuse me, while I try and figure if I can cram it into, I don't know if you see this, down here. If I don't put my hand in the light, I'm going to try and get it into here underneath. It should fit. And then finally I need to hook up the DC-DC converter, so I'll power this whole unit from anywhere from 12 to 24 volts, which will give me the 3.3 volts for the RFID reader, 5 volts for the whole system, and 12 volts for the door release solenoid. But that's it. I've left the big piece of Veriboard on it at the moment, just in case I need a little more space. But to all intents and purposes, the whole unit is very small. I mean, it's, what, 5 fingers across by, I don't know, 2 fingers high, maybe 3 fingers high. That's a new international measurement. It also applies to glass of whiskey. Yeah, good day. Pain in the ass programming this little display, and I need to make the door open, door closed, denied, text and positioning a little nicer. But I've got a good ready button. That sort of message, I want to make it a bit better.